Have you ever stopped to consider what's flowing through your body right this very second? It's not just some red liquid, it's blood, a magnificent and complex fluid that is absolutely essential for life. Think of it as your body's own personal delivery service and cleanup crew, all rolled into one. This incredible substance makes up about 8% of your total body weight. For an average adult, that's around 5 liters, or more than a big jug of milk. This internal river is constantly on the move, carrying everything your cells need to thrive and taking away all the stuff they don't. It's a bustling highway of activity, happening inside you every moment of every day. The primary job of your blood is transportation. It's like a fleet of tiny trucks delivering oxygen from your lungs to every single part of your body, from the tip of your nose to the ends of your toes. At the same time, it picks up the cellular garbage, like carbon dioxide, and carries it back to the lungs so you can breathe it out. But that's not all. Blood also delivers nutrients from the food you eat, hormones that act as messengers, and so much more. It's a non-stop, 24/7 operation that keeps your internal world running smoothly. Without this constant flow, our cells couldn't get what they need to function. Blood also plays a huge role in regulating your body's environment, a state we scientists call homeostasis. It helps keep your body temperature just right, around 38 degrees Celsius, or 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit. When you get too hot, blood vessels near your skin expand to release heat. When you're cold, they constrict to keep that precious warmth in. Blood also maintains a very specific pH balance, keeping it slightly alkaline. This delicate balance is crucial for all the chemical reactions that keep you alive and kicking. It's a remarkable system of checks and balances, all managed by this amazing fluid. So, what is this stuff made of? If you were to look at blood under a powerful microscope, you'd see it's not just one thing, it's a mixture of two main parts. About 55% of your blood is a yellowish liquid called plasma. The other 45% is made up of different kinds of cells and cell fragments, which we call the formed elements. These include red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Each component has a very specific and important job to do. Together, they form a team that works tirelessly to protect you, nourish you, and keep your body in perfect working order. Let's dive in and take a closer look at this incredible team. Let's talk about plasma, the liquid part that makes up more than half of your blood. If you were to separate all the cells from your blood, you'd be left with this straw-colored fluid. What is it exactly? Well, plasma is about 91.5% water. This is why staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water is so important. You're helping to replenish the very foundation of your blood. The water in plasma acts as a solvent, a liquid that dissolves other substances, allowing them to be transported easily throughout your body. So, every sip of water you take contributes directly to this vital internal river, ensuring everything keeps flowing as it should. The remaining part of plasma that isn't water is packed with crucial substances. About 7% of it is made up of proteins, which are the workhorses of your body. Most of these proteins are produced by your liver. One of the most important is called albumin. It's the most abundant protein in your plasma, and it has several big jobs. It helps transport things like hormones and fatty acids, and it's a key player in keeping the right amount of fluid inside your blood vessels. Think of it as a manager that helps maintain order and balance within the bloodstream, preventing leaks and ensuring everything stays where it belongs. Another group of proteins floating around in your plasma are the globulins. You can think of these as your body's security guards. Some globulins, known as antibodies or immunoglobulins, are a critical part of your immune system. They seek out and attack invaders like viruses and bacteria, tagging them for destruction. Other globulins act as transport vehicles, carrying important molecules like iron and fats to where they are needed. Then there's fibrinogen, the third major type of plasma protein. Fibrinogen is essential for blood clotting. It patiently waits in the background until you get a cut, and then it springs into action to help seal the wound. The final 1.5% of plasma is a mix of other solutes. This category includes all sorts of things your body needs to function correctly. It contains electrolytes like sodium and potassium, which are vital for nerve function and muscle contraction. It also carries nutrients from your food, such as glucose, sugar for energy, and amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. Hormones, vitamins, and waste products on their way to be filtered out also travel in this liquid matrix. Plasma is far more than just water. It's a rich, complex soup that nourishes and sustains every cell in your body. Now, Let's explore the formed elements, the cellular superstars floating in your plasma. The most numerous of these are the red blood cells, or erythrocytes. These are the cells that give blood its signature red color. They are so tiny that a single drop of blood contains millions of them. Their main mission is incredibly important, to carry oxygen from your lungs to the rest of your body. To be great at this job, red blood cells are designed with some cool features. They are shaped like tiny, flexible, biconcave discs, which gives them a huge surface area for picking up and dropping off oxygen molecules efficiently. Here's a mind-blowing fact. Your body is a red blood cell factory that never closes. It produces over 2 million new red blood cells every single second. That's more than 200 billion per day. This constant production is necessary because red blood cells have a lifespan of only about 120 days. Each one is packed with about 280 million molecules of a special protein called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is what actually grabs onto oxygen, and a single red blood cell can carry over 1 billion oxygen molecules. They are the ultimate delivery specialists, ensuring your body gets the fuel it needs for energy. Next up on the team are the white blood cells, or leukocytes. While they are far less numerous than red blood cells, their role is just as vital. These are the soldiers of your immune system, your body's protectors against infection and disease. There are several different types of white blood cells, each with a specialized way of fighting off invaders. Some act like frontline soldiers, engulfing and destroying bacteria and other foreign particles. Others are more like intelligence officers, producing antibodies that target specific pathogens and creating a memory of past infections so your body can fight them off faster next time. Finally, we have the platelets, or thrombocytes. These aren't actually full cells but rather small, irregular-shaped fragments of larger cells. Platelets are your body's first responders when you get a cut or scrape. When a blood vessel is damaged, they rush to the scene and stick together to form a temporary plug. This action kicks off a chain reaction, activating the fibrinogen protein from the plasma to create a tough, net-like structure called a fibrin clot. This clot traps more platelets and red blood cells, sealing the wound securely, stopping the bleeding, and allowing the tissue underneath to heal. It's an amazing natural bandage system. Your blood is a dynamic system, and its composition can change based on your activities. Consider what happens when you exercise. When you engage in regular cardiovascular activities like running, swimming, or cycling, your body adapts in a fantastic way. It responds to the increased demand for oxygen by increasing your total blood volume. At first, this is mostly an increase in plasma volume, but with sustained training over several weeks, your body also ramps up its production of red blood cells. More red blood cells mean a greater capacity to carry oxygen, which improves your stamina and athletic performance. It's your body upgrading its own delivery system. The functions of your blood can be neatly summarized into 3 main categories: transportation, regulation, and protection. As we've seen, it transports oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and waste products. It regulates your body temperature, pH, and fluid balance, maintaining that crucial internal stability. And it protects you by clotting to prevent blood loss and using its army of white blood cells and antibodies to defend against germs and illness. Every drop of blood is working hard on all 3 fronts, all the time, to keep you healthy and functioning at your best. It's truly the unsung hero of your body. Because blood is so central to your overall health, taking care of your body is the best way to take care of your blood. Eating a balanced diet, rich in vitamins and minerals, especially iron, is crucial for producing healthy red blood cells. Iron is a key component of hemoglobin, and without enough of it, your body can't make the oxygen-carrying cells it needs, a condition known as anemia. Staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water ensures your plasma volume is adequate, keeping everything flowing smoothly. A healthy lifestyle directly supports a healthy circulatory system. So, the next time you feel your heart beating, remember the incredible river of life it's pumping through you. This complex fluid is a testament to the amazing engineering of the human body. From the watery plasma carrying life-sustaining proteins to the billions of cells performing their specialized tasks, your blood is a microscopic world of wonder. By making healthy choices every day, you are helping this internal super team do its job effectively. Taking care of your health is the ultimate way to thank your blood for all the hard work it does to keep you going. Now that's science.